Koutou ko rāpata wiri tēnei, no Reo Ora.
Cool, James tēnei. I'm the tech support, the one that you will get most of your emails that will say, hey, welcome to Reo Ora. So pretty much this is an update for all yous. You want to talk more about that?
Tuatahi ka mihi atu ki a tātou, kua tae mai ahine raumati. Me te kirihi me te. So just wanted to welcome everyone first and to wish you all season's greetings with hine raumati, summertime and Christmas time coming up.
And so pretty much we wanted to, before we wrapped up for the year as well, we wanted to share some exciting news and some updates that are coming just in time for Christmas, as you would have seen on the title. So pretty much me at we're at Reo Ora, there's me and Rapata, and we've been developing or we've been in developments for some new updates that we hope you will be very pleased about. One of the ones, as you can see on the screen, this is our testing station, but this is pretty much what you'll see come Friday. So it looks similar to the one to what you currently have. Those of you that have subscribed, but we have this new black bar. It's pretty exciting.
It's pretty cool, man. You got to check this out. It's a black bar. It's called an API, which I'll let James explain further.
Yeah, so pretty much as you can see on the screen right here, we've got 3 new icons along this bar. So the first icon has the question mark, which is our FAQ, which means
frequently asked questions.
Yeah. So pretty much there's probably a bunch of you who have been on the app and I hear the same questions, which is all good. This is what I'm here to do. But at the same time, we want to make it easier for you to not have to wait for an email reply and whatnot. So this frequently asked questions, FAQ, is here for you to be able to access. So, different things.
Yeah, some of these, as a teacher, we get asked a whole lot of questions like, how many attempts do I get to complete our assessments? Are my results secure and where are they stored? How long does my login for the app work for? So all of these answers we put on this page here, which you will find the answer to.
In addition to that, we also have a search bar here, which maybe you're not too sure which one it answers, but you can go, you can put it in there and it will come through. So this is one of the new features. The second icon we have in the middle is pretty much just a quick access to the courses. So wherever you might be, as you can see, go down here to the view courses. You might be in course 1, go to module 1, and it's pretty much a quick access back to the screen that the course level. If you want to say it's like a staircase, you're going back to the one where it's got all the modules on it for the course that you have. So that's the second one. And the third icon, which is a microphone, is what we're most excited about.
Yeah.
You want to...
Te tero mai, this is our new hopu kōrero, which is tests the accuracy of your pronunciation. As I explained earlier, this is what we call an API, which is basically, I hate to use the word traffic light because of COVID and all that, but we have a green light, which means excellent pronunciation. We have a orange light, which means pai or good pronunciation. And also we have a red light, which means incorrect pronunciation. The unique thing about this API is that it can measure the accuracy of each vowel. For example, you might say, no Rotorua ahau. I am from Rotorua. And it might give you a green light for all 3 words. No, green, Rotorua, green, ahau, green. Or you may mispronounce it. You may say it like this. No Rotorua ahau. In which case you would get a green light for no. You would get probably a orange light for Rotorua. And ahau, you would probably get a red light. Yeah. So I'll let James now show you how to do this live right here on our live stream.
So with any new technology, there has its, I wouldn't say flaws, but they're the work-ons. So as this little disclaimer here says, please remember that this is only an indication of accuracy for pronunciation. The process is not 100% accurate yet, and is subject to external factors such as background noise and microphone quality. In saying that, we have had quite a lot of hours of fun since we were given access to this. So this is on our staging. This isn't live yet. This is where we can test and go through some things. So one of the things that we want to implement, which will be coming in 2023 in the new year, but we've been testing, is the use of a karakia timatanga. So we want to be able to add, Rapids is really excited about this, but he wants to add karakia and waiata to.
Yeah,
Mm.
I think one of the main things when you're learning te reo is the cultural aspects. And people always ask me, can you teach us a simple prayer in Māori? So what we've got here is a simple prayer to open a hui, a meeting or any event. And what we can do with this particular karakia, we've broken it down into 6 lines. So it's 6 lines. And we'll start off and we'll give you a demo. Well, actually, it's about 8 lines. But I'll say it for you, and then James can show you how it works on the app. So I'll say the whole karakia, right?
Yeah.
Kua rite koutou, are you ready? Tūtawa mai I runga, tūtawa mai I raro, tūtawa mai I roto, tūtawa mai I waho. Kia tau ai te Māori tū, te Māori ora ki te katoa, haumi e, hui e, taiki e. So, we've broken this down using our API, and James is going to see if he can pronounce the words, and we're going to apply that little traffic light system.
No pressure, eh?
No pressure, James. No pressure.
Hey, and just a disclaimer as well. I mean, so this is all similarly running to how we had the old hopu kōrero, which did transcribe your kōrero, your words in your kupu. But this one takes it to
The next level.
The next level.
Yeah, this is the next level, man. This includes Siri technology, which was developed by a company from Te Taitokero. Kia ora koutou Te Heku Media. Right. So, ngā mihi nui kia koutou Peter Lucas me Keone, tēnā koutou katoa.
Yeah. So in the same way, it looks similar to the previous API. So you click on this to hear the reference.
Tūtawa mai I runga.
So hopefully you heard that, tūtawa mai I runga. And so in the same way as the previous one, you click it and then you pronounce, give your attempt. So let's have a go. Oh. Tūtawa mai I runga.
Oh, close, James.
Yeah.
So he got a yellow light, which was tatangia, very close. So he can have another go if he likes. You can have as many goes as you like.
Okay, let's do it. Tūtawa mai I runga. Oh, almost
yeah.
again.
So that little E. See how I told you it measures each syllable. So give it a bit more emphasis on the E,
right,
James.
Let's give it a go. Tūtawa mai I runga.
Oh. Yeah, hey, let me have a go.
All right.
And as he said at the beginning, this is still in development.
Yeah.
Okay. Tūtawa mai I runga. Oh, look, even the teacher got it wrong. So, tūtawa is correct.
Yeah.
So, just letting you know.
I'll tell you what, we've I know I've spent quite a while trying to get all greens, and it's actually quite fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's a very fun kind of.
Hey, let's try the next line, James. The raro, and I'll say it deliberately wrong, but listen to the correct version.
All right. Do you want to hear the?
Yeah. Tūtawa mai I raro.
Yeah. So hopefully you heard that at home.
Okay. Ready? Tūtawa mai raro. So the only thing I got right there was mai raro. I'll try saying it right again. Tūtawa mai raro. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, have a go, James.
Which, yeah, so as you can see, the tūtawa is really, the API is kind of struggling to be able to hear that, which is something we will we'll try and develop a bit more. We're working with our developers to try and get a more accurate read. So be mindful that this is still in development, but it's definitely going to get better, and you'll probably see the updates you won't know about, but they'll come through, and all of a sudden you're getting greens when you thought, oh, what the heck, I was going to getting oranges or reds or whatnot. So I'll give it a go. Tūtawa mai I raro. Oh.
Yeah, I think it said tūtawa, eh?
Yeah, I think so, and that's probably something we'll go back to developers and we'll say, hey, tweak it down a bit. We're saying it correctly, but it's just not picking it up, which is absolutely fine. I mean,
Yeah, let's give the next line a go.
Right. Let's hear it at home.
Tūtawa mai I roto.
Maybe we'll go for a different phrasing because I think we've established that
Yep.
tūtawa is not really picking it up, but we'll go for maybe this one. Kia tau.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Kia tauai te Māori tū.
All right. We'll go the you can say this one.
Kia tauai te Māori tū.
Oh.
Way! Kakariki.
Oh, you Dr. Māori.
Kakariki is green.
Yeah. So.
Yep. Now let's that should be tihe Māori ora.
Yeah.
But just try this one.
Have a listen.
Ki te katoa.
You go, James.
All right. Ki te katoa.
Way, you're the man. High
Hey,
five, brother.
hey,
Whoa, kei
hey,
runga noa tu koe.
Hey.
Hey, let's go for the next one. James, you're on a roll, bro. Come on, you can do it, man.
So
you
one
can
thing,
do it, James.
one thing I've noticed with it struggles to pick up the short the ears, the R's, and all that. But I'll give it a go, and I've had a bit of practice with this one, so I'll try. So we'll listen to the example.
Haumi e. Hui e.
Alright, so we go. Homie, hui. Oh.
Whoa!
So yeah, it's struggling to pick up the short like ears and whatnot.
Gives it go?
Do you want to
Gives it go? Yeah.
Okay.
Hum yeah! Hoo yeah!
Oh, yeah. Sorry, something went wrong. Oh yeah, I think I was
try
trying
doing it. I'll be serious.
to.
Okay, ready? Let's go. Hum yeah! Hui yeah! Oh, yeah. Never mind. Let's go for the last line, James.
All right, let's have a
We're on
listen.
we're almost there, man.
Taiki e.
Alright, Daiki. Yeah, you got this already.
Daikie! Oh, come on, my
So
karakia is wrong.
it is struggling to hear the last kind of.
You have a go?
That's
Have a go with the
Oh, I've
taiki?
tried this one. This one I've spent lots of time,
Yeah,
but I'll
yep.
give it a go. You got to really push the air, like the
Oh,
for the
yeah.
microphone to
Yep.
it.
Go hard.
Daiki e. See?
Hey, tatangia, very close.
It was close, yeah.
Gives it go? I'll have one more go.
Alright.
Daiki e.
Hey.
Hey, kei te pai, hey, it's all good in the hood. Kei te pai hoa ma. But you see how it works? This is our new hopu kōrero.
Yeah.
This is brand new. We're just doing a bit of a promo and explaining our new technology. Nō reira, ka hoki atu ki a koe, James?
Yeah, so hopefully, this is going to be implemented on Friday with at some point you might need to log in and log out and log back to see it update, but it should just update by itself. So next time you log in on Friday, it'll be most probably sometime in the afternoon. But that's going to be implemented throughout the whole app, also on the modules and the lessons. So where you used to see the pronunciation API in the lessons at the bottom, where it said Hoku Kōrero, you'll be able to see that. This will be on all of them.
Yeah, this is going to be on all 4 levels of our app. From level 1, te pū, level 2, te more, level 3, te weu, and level 4, te aka. So you'll see these little brown kōrero. Now, bearing in mind, this version is just a practice version with a karakia, but everywhere you see those little brown boxes there, you're going to have this pronunciation traffic light hopu kōrero thing, and you can have a little tutu with it over the Christmas break.
Yeah.
A really exciting feature. So that's going to be coming to you on Friday.
Yeah.
Just e rua ngā moe kei te toi, just 2 more sleeps to go.
Yeah, early Christmas present for all of you.
Yes, and you have fun with your whānau. James and I have been having a great time on this on this API.
So what we are planning to do coming to 2023 also is, so over here you can you'll be able to select the different featured kōrero. So in over the next no, each week or even each month, we will be putting like different. We'll be adding. I don't know whether it might be a waiata, which is what
Yep.
you're trying to. The karakias and whatnot. They'll be different. Those will be the featured ones. But then you can go into the lessons, and within the lessons, you'll be able to see the ordinary one, but have the ability to do the traffic light system, which is we're working on a new name, right? We're looking at a different kind of name.
Robot.
Possibly.
Robot.
Yeah. Don't steal it though before we get a chance to trade back in.
Hey, so what as James was saying, one of our new exciting features that's coming in the new year is what we call digital badges. So each time you complete your assessments like you just did then, and you get the green light, you complete your assessments, you will be given what we call a micro credential, like it's a mini certificate. Let's say you finish module 1, you pass with 5 or more, you will 5 out of 10, you will get a little micro credential, or what we call a digital badge after each module. So that's one of the exciting things that are coming.
And so on top of that, I guess we're hoping to release our app onto the Play Store and on the App Store. So the reasonings behind this is we want to be able to, I guess,
create a bit more engagement.
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, like you do normally with apps and with on your phone and stuff, you download it and it becomes part of your library, right? Whereas I know for our one, you have to go onto the browser and go through. So part of that, and that also opens the door for us for push notifications, which is something that I find the most annoying sometimes for my apps.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it gives you that little nudge to say, hey, let's do a lesson today. Let's do some hopu kōrero today. And so that's part of the new features. And on top of that, and I think this is something I'm excited about because it's new. And this will be coming out probably near the end of, not the end of the year, but more mid-year, is we're going to be adding a new assessment type. So this is going to be a cool new feature, which is utilizing this feature that we've just showed you all. So we're going to be turning. So previously there was the English to Maori, and the
Maori to English, and then there was a listening. So the third type of assessment is where you watch a cartoon, and it's a listening comprehension where you fill in the gap. However, as James was saying, this API, this kōrero, is going to be another form of assessment, which is really, really exciting, which will really test the accuracy of your pronunciation and build your confidence in speaking te reo.
Absolutely. So pretty much in a nutshell, you'll get a list of phrases and you will have to get them all green in order to pass. But you'll get as many times to attempt to get green. But once you once you get all greens, then it will be there'll be a button you'll be able to submit it pretty much, and that's you passing once it's all green. So it's an exciting, it's a different type, right?
It's kind of like an oral test, and but it's all done on a computer.
Yeah.
Isn't that great? Like all it does is give you a green light, an orange light, or a red light, and you can practice it as many times as you want.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And another cool feature which will be coming through will be weekly reports. So that will pretty much you'll get an email just saying, hey, you done well this week. You passed these lessons. You did this assessment. You got these scores, and that will probably we're just trying to help.
Yeah.
Reminders, I guess, in a sense.
Absolutely. Absolutely, James, because people often want to know how they're doing on the course. So these are automated reports which tell you, hey, look, Hone, hey, this week you got 9 out of 10 for assessment 1, you got 8 out of 10 for assessment 2. Ka pai, ka rawe. Now, let's give assessment 3 a go. So the purpose of that automated reports just to keep you motivated. Because the biggest thing with learning anything is motivation.
Aye.
And like James was talking about, those little push notifications you get on your apps. But look, hey, they keep you engaged. And this is one of the problems we found is people, being human beings, we get a bit mangere, we get a bit lazy sometimes. But what we need is just a bit of encouragement. And so these reports and these little features we are adding are going to help you become more motivated to complete your courses and to become fluent in Te Reo Māori.
Yeah, absolutely. So pretty much that is what you have to look forward to 2023. You believe we're saying that now?
Whoa!
Oh, so
Tata ki te kirihime te.
and we've actually got some thanks that we wanted to do. So firstly, we wanted to thank Salt and Tonic.
Yeah,
To Josh and Matt and Adrian
Josh
and the
and
team.
Matty, yes.
Adrian,
kia ora.
They've been our supporters, but also they've helped. They created the app and they developed it. And you know, I know they've been very patient with us.
Amazingly patient.
Yeah.
And you know, they've taken an idea and basically turned it into reality. A full-on learning management system. So it's not just an app anymore, it's actually what we call an LMS, a learning management system. Nō reira, ka nui ngā mihi kia koutou, Salt and Tonic.
Yep.
Ka mihi hoki ki Te Hiku Media. So the other ones we would like to thank Te Hiku Media, who I mentioned earlier, Peter Lucas and Keone, up in Te Taitoki Road, Te Hiku o Te Ika, ngā mihi nui kia koutou.
And so pretty much we would love to wish you guys a Merry Kirihimete, Merry Christmas. We are going to be taking a break over this period too. You'll be getting email giving an outline of that. So we were from the 23rd to the 16th of January. The office will be closed.
Or 23rd of December.
23rd of December to 16th of January. There we go. So yeah, you guys have a good break. We will have a good break. We'll have lots of kai and get
Hangi,
yeah.
te crayfish, te
Crayfish.
kaura, ai, te steamed pudding.
Yeah.
Nō reira, I runga i tērā kōrero a James, tēnei ka mihi ake kia koutou i tēnei wā. Ngā manaakitanga o te runga rawa ki runga i a koutou. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Hey, awesome bro. Hey.